Chocolate milk is great for recovery, keeps me motivated throughout the day, and keeps my bones growing stronger.
I think it's helped me progress in the weight room with all the protein that it gives, and I think it's been helping me also on the field by being more explosive and just being quicker to the ball.
I think it's definitely gotten me stronger. All the protein after workouts has definitely helped me to recover.
Chocolate milk tastes way better than like all the other like protein shakes and stuff. Like it's just a lot cleaner, like smoother, and the taste is a lot sweeter. And obviously the health benefits are just as good, so that's why I'd rather have chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk is like a better option just because it's cheaper and it fills you up more, and protein shakes are good, but most of the time they have like a bitter taste. Chocolate milk I'll just go find, and it always fills me up, and this is easy.
Tastes good. I could drink probably 3 glasses of chocolate milk a day. I prefer it over regular milk.
I choose chocolate milk because it makes me feel recovered, and like after I lift and that, I feel like it makes me less hungry.
For me, chocolate milk makes me really refreshed. It makes me have more energy after being tired, and it helps me to recover more.
Chocolate milk helps me get through the school day better because it keeps my energy like sustained longer.
Keeps my energy high, tastes good, so keeps my happiness high also.
You can tell the difference. The chocolate milk quality in this machine is a lot richer.
The chocolate milk coming out of the dispenser is fresher and colder.
Chocolate milk's great. Everybody should drink it.